Here's my Carrier air conditioner running for the first time in 2022. I already know the tonnage. It is a 2015 5-ton. I already know the year. Del Air. It's made by, and I've always been moving the Carrier logo on this, but I'm gonna go ahead and go back inside. Or maybe I'll try to do start up our central vac. There's my friend's mailbox. Right now I have to do a job for my dad because he needs the garage doors open for the garbage. It's hard. I'm almost slipped in the house. We're about to open the garage. And we are gonna bring it back in. And you put it right here. Close the garage door, Dad, soon. I'm gonna go outside the front door again. Watch the garage door close from the outside. Did a video of this closing to the outside, but this one was closing. You forgot to do my guide. Oh my God. Close it. Oh my God.
What are you hitting the door like that for, Bill?
I got stuck in the garage. That's okay. Please subscribe, like the video.